What's the meaning of art gallery? Art gallery. Art gallery.
Art gallery. Art gallery. An art gallery is a space used to exhibit various forms of art, typically for public viewing. These galleries can feature a wide range of artwork, including paintings, sculptures, and installations, among others. Visitors to an art gallery can view these works of art, appreciate their beauty, and gain new insights into the artist's message and intention. Art galleries can be found in cities around the world, ranging from small community spaces to large, prestigious institutions. Ultimately, art galleries provide a valuable platform for artists to showcase their work and for individuals to engage with artistic expression.